paper side, paper charger on. Or is it lesser? Not that much lesser. Still danger. Charging on. Okay. Is voice clear? Can I start? Voice clear? If clear, I will start. Okay. See. Now, back to yesterday's question. See, this question, I tell what to do. First, see, write one more note. Draw a neat sketch of the beam. Then I'll rub it. Color any, red color is separate. No, see, that red is not this red. See, draw a neat, actually got the blue pen, I am writing. See, now, this reaction is VA equal to 172.5 kilonewton. Oh, 192. Okay. Print mistake. And this reaction VB equal to 227.5 kilonewton. See, this is A, this is B. After some 3 meter here, don't write any dimension, because why? This sketch you should mark not that way. You should not mark successive distances. In this sketch you have to mark everything from origin. I told you how to mark it. See, after 6 meter, total span 12 meter, correct? 6 meter is 3 meter. After 3 meter gap, UDL runs for how much length? Another 7 meter. Okay. So there's a gap of 2 meter here. UDL is 40 previous question. See, who remember? 60 kilonewton per meter. A and B are standard points. One more point C, one more point D. See, that I have not removed. It's still there. Now, first, you should, those who are serious, make all the note. Origin you have to select. Again and again I am telling. Now I will not tell. Some will tell. He is telling, he is not telling. And again he will tell. Origin should be always extreme end of the beam. Either A or B. No other way you can do. Either A or B. Okay. Let us take A origin. Right there. A or red color required. Okay. Let us take A as origin. See. Origin is red color. A as origin. So your X will go this way. So from origin A, once you select A origin, section should be between the last 2 points on the other side. Therefore, compulsory. Once you take A origin, section should be here. See, no other way. XX. Distance is X from origin. Okay. X I will write here. Up to here. This X you can write wherever you want. X. Now, there is a problem here. When you write equation for BM, see here, now subsequently mark every standard point from origin. Once this question is clear, next question onwards, these things I will not dictate or tell. See, this is 3 meter, this is 3 plus 7, 10 meter, right here if you want. 3 plus 7 plus another 2 is or span only, 12 meter. Now, write equation for what? Equation for bending moment at section XX. Bending moment at XX. That is, you write, that is called MX. MX, sagging positive. Okay, now, once you are writing equation for bending moment at XX, MX, now see, yesterday we wrote, if you remember, see, how we wrote, plus 192.5 into X, minus, no space here, okay, right here, okay, space is there, minus, bending moment here, 60 into this length, see, full length will come, this is 10, this is 3, those who are finding difficulty, somewhere outside, light line, mark this as 7 meter, 7, if you want, so when you want bending moment here, you can see the UDL for full 7 meter, minus 60 into 7 is the UDL total into from here to center of UDL. This is X. So into X minus from center of the UDL to here is this is X minus 3 also minus half of 7. It became 6.5. I explained. Tell me how I got 6.5. How I got it? X minus 3 minus 7 by 2. I got 6.5. Tell me, clear or not? Clear or not? First, this is what you had done yesterday. Clear? It was the old clear. New clear is not clear. Okay, now, but when I substituted here, it gave wrong result for any point. See, this equation gave correct bending moment at A, at C, at D, and at B. Yes or no? At standard points, it gave correct bending moment. At standard point, it gave correct bending moment. Yes or no? See, yesterday we checked it. Yes. But it is not sufficient if it gives standard point, because when it is in terms of X, it should give correct BM everywhere. Anywhere you can find bending moment, it should give correct answer. But we found between A and C, one point P1. Yes, we got BM there. Yes, that BM we got by this equation also. And one more point P2 and P4, these are extra points. Okay, P1. One more point P3, that side. Actually, I should have given P1, P2, etc. Okay, P3, that side. After D, there also we got correct BM. But I consider two more points which are inside the UDL, P2 and P3. For those points, when you find BM per first principle, answer we got, but use this equation to find BM at P2 or P4, it did not tally, it gave wrong result. Tell me, yes or no? It gave wrong result. Just tell me yes or no. I am going to give the mathematical logic if you want. If you do not want, tell me. If you do not want, I can tell you solution and continue. If you do not want the real mathematical concept, if you do not want, I need not waste time. I can just tell what to do and proceed further. What? Do you want to discuss in detail all these things? See, these are all called mathematics. I will tell you at the end of this one. Lastly, I will tell about mathematics. See, now, this equation gives correct BM at all the standard point and also anywhere between A and C or D and B. Why? Their UDL is not there. But it gave, even at C also, correct answer came. Even at D also, correct answer came. Reason, see, If any point you do between these 2 points, your x cannot be more than 3 meter. If you find BM anywhere between A and C, your x should be within 3 meter or at the most 3 meter. If it is within 3 meter or at the most 3 meter, then this term is not considered. See, because 3 or less than 3 minus 6.5, you should write it. It will give negative, so you stop here. Yes, if you stop here, it is correct. Why? Reaction into x. Correct. That's why it gave correct answer at A, correct answer at C, and also correct answer anywhere in between. Now, if you want BM anywhere after D but before B or B, then your x should be either 10 meter or more than 10 meter. When x is 10 or more than 10, 10 minus 6.5 is positive. The term is considered. Yes. And if you find BM, see, anywhere here after D, if you look this side, full UDL will come. Yes, full UDL will come. Therefore, it gave correct answer even D to B also, including D. Only problem came was somewhere in the UDL. Now if you continue, see, it give wrong result for C to D. Now, first check what is the reason for giving wrong answer. See, suppose I want bending moment at P2. Look this side. Then, tell me, what length of UDL will come here? If I want BM at P2, when I look this side, you should look to origin side only. What length of UDL will come? What length of UDL will come? If I find BM at P2, this side, it will come only for 3 meter. How 3 meter? What is this? If I want BM here, look this side. See, 192.5 into is okay, no problem. UDL term. If I want BM here, when I look origin side, what length of UDL it will come? 3 meter. How 3 meter? Suppose you do basic principle. BM at P2, 192.5 into 5.5 minus 60 into how much? 2.5. But this equation takes 60 into 7. Yes or no? This equation will give you 60 into 7. Tell me yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. And if I substitute x equal to 4.5 meter, 3 plus 2.5, 5.5 meter, this will give negative. We will not consider. Wrong. You have to consider because UDL for 2.5 meter should be considered. And one more thing. If I consider P4 point, tell me this is 2 meter. See, tell me when you do bending moment here, what length of UDL will come here? This is 7 meter. This is 3.6. This is 2. If it is 3.6, this is 2 means this is 1.6 meter. If it is 1.6 meter, when you find BM here, tell me what length of UDL should come for bending moment. What length of UDL will come if I look this side? See, this is 7. This is 3.6. This is 2. This is 1.6. So this is 7. If I look this side, what length of UDL will come? 5.4 meter. But equation will take full 7 meter length. And then x distance will be how much? It should be 6. How much it is? 5.4 by 2. But it will give you wrong result. It will give you distance to center of the full UDL. See, because your section is here. This equation will give you distance from what? From xx to center of UDL. No, it is wrong. Therefore, if the section lies, see, if the section is before UDL, no problem. Why? If the section is before UDL, no problem, because this term we are not considering. We stop here. If the section is after UDL, again no problem. Why? Because if section is after UDL, you will get UDL for full 7 meter Full 7 meter, correct. Problem comes or wrong result will come if the point lies within the UDL. Tell yes or no. If the point lies within the UDL. Tell yes or no. Not at the end of the UDL. In between UDL, any point, it will give wrong result. Yes. Now, if you integrate this one and get slope and deflection equation, it will give completely wrong result. Why? It will consider, see, it will consider linear variation for BM here. See here. When you write here 60 into 7 into x minus something, this is linear variation, correct? After D, BM is linear variation. But in the UDL portion, variation of BM is not linear. Tell what? Variation. If you consider section within the UDL, variation is not linear. What variation? You know it. SFD BMD class. Where UDL is there, that portion, BM variation is what? It is not linear. It is parabolic of second degree. Therefore, wrong equation, integration, whatever you get, will not give correct result. So, what to do? See, I told you, already told you, this I will give homework for you later. If not today, tomorrow, at the end of tomorrow morning, on the board, I will write 3-4 questions. One of the question is here. See, I will tell you. I will give UDL this side. Of course, some point out I will give you. Now, you take A origin, take section here. Yes, no problem. No problem because section passes through UDL. I will tell you why. Okay, now, one more homework I will give you. I will give UDL this side, maybe one point load here and point load here. Okay, now you should take B origin and take section here. Then answer will come. On the board I will write answer. You take screenshot and solve. I don't want to waste time because I am now solving in the class when UDL is in the middle portion. When I solve this question, these two are easier. Tell yes or no. These two I will write on the board problem with the answer. With the answer. You try it. Okay, now come back to this question. See, I told you, if section has to pass through UDL. Tell why. If the section passes through UDL, then the loaded length will be in terms of x. See, when the write it out here. If the section passes through UDL, then loaded length will be in terms of x, and distance also will be in terms of x. When you multiply, tell what x power will come. If the section passes through UDL, see, when the section passes through UDL, see, if this is x, loaded length is x minus 3. X minus 3 is okay. X is there. Loaded length x is there. Into distance also x is there. So what will happen? Into distance also x is there. Tell what will happen? Your BM equation will have x square term. Correct. That is correct. So in case of UDL or UVL or distributed load, section has to pass through UDL or UVL. Clear? It has to pass through UDL and UVL, and the equation you are writing should be valid for complete beam. Everywhere. When you take a section, it should be valid for anywhere between A and C, anywhere between C and D, and anywhere between D and B. Tell yes or no. Clear? Fast. These all you should write. See, if you want correct knowledge, these all you have to write. Okay, now, what to do? See, solution. See, this is wrong. Right here. This is wrong. Already over yesterday. So, wrong. Now do one thing. Therefore, remedy or what to do. Okay, I will explain now. See, once again start the question. See, you consider either A origin or B origin. Today's class I will talk full logic. Okay, start. Consider, now see, now I am going to correct solution. Correct solution. Okay, right. Note, What are the requirement? First you write what are the requirements. See, I will put requirement number 1. Origin should be extreme end of the beam. Yes, I will take A origin now. Okay, satisfied. Then section should be between the last 2 points on the other side. Yes, I will take between D and B. See, 1, you write here, requirement number 1, origin should be extreme end. Origin should be extreme end. Okay, now second point, XX, section XX. Section XX should be between last 2 points, last 2 standard points or salient points, standard points on other side. On other side, if I take left origin, should be on the right side, or if I take right origin, other side, so that it will cover the complete beam, other side at X from origin. This is second requirement. Third requirement, section XX should pass through what? Should pass through what? This is very important now. Section XX should pass through what? Because we want quadratic term. We do not want linear variation. It has to pass through UDL. Okay, start. Now, solution 1. Solution 1. Okay. See, start. I write here. Let us consider left extreme end. I am rubbing everything now. Left extreme end, that is A. I will round off A. I will give respect to A as origin. Okay, I will take A as origin. So, your first condition is satisfied. Second one, consider section XX between last 2 points, last 2 standard points. I use the word standard point. Actually, correct word is salient point. I don't like that word. I like standard point. It is my wish. Someone will tell, sir, what is standard? Keep quiet, I will tell. I am telling standard point. Standard point is correct. Standard point is a point required in the beam to define something. See, sometimes I will be harsh only. I like the word standard point. Standard point. Like standard bus stop. Bus will stop there. In between will be request stop. Only if you know the conductor or some reason is there, bus will stop. Otherwise, bus will not stop there. Bus stop, you don't have to ask the conductor. He will stop the bus there. Last 2 standard points on other side. On other side means, since my origin is left side, that is right side. Right hand side. That is between what? Between D and B. D and B, comma, at X from origin A. Origin A. Okay. I will take section XX. This 7 is not required now. At X from origin A. So, second condition also satisfied. Clear or not? The condition of extreme end origin and section between the last 2 points, both are satisfied. Tell yes or no. Both are satisfied. Yes. Now, lastly write 3. Next write. Now, consider the third condition. That is, section XX should pass through UDL. Should pass through UDL. Right. Oh, Udgara. Oh, it is not passing to UDL. Not passing through UDL. Why? See here. It is not passing to UDL. Therefore, the condition number 3 of section XX should pass to UDL is not satisfied. Therefore, if I solve the question with this data and use this equation, which already we wrote last time, it will give wrong result. So now write what to do. Nothing to worry. See here. Now see now, correctly see now, in order to see that, or in order to satisfy that compulsory condition, everything is compulsory condition of xx to pass through UDL, what I will do is, see now what I am doing, I will extend, see, this is the UDL up to now, I will extend the, see now correctly, this much length UDL is not there, see now, I will extend the UDL up to B, extend the downward UDL from D up to right extreme end. Don't give any gap. Suppose you give a gap here, somebody will tell, then take section somewhere here, full, up to right extreme end. Now, this is your original UDL. See now, original UDL, I will put here now. This is your extra UDL. Of course, it will become total single UDL. Okay, how much? Same 60 kN per meter. But this will, you should write, I am not writing. This will result in higher loading on the beam, by virtue of which the reaction will change and also the bending moment will change, and therefore slope and deflection will also change. It will not give correct answer, yes or no. If you put extra loading, it will, if you give extra loading, then it will give more loading on the beam, which will create more bending, reaction will change, and elastic curve will change. So therefore result will not be correct. Tell yes or no. Tell fast. I will tell it, no problem. I told yesterday full night I was studying this only. I told no. Full night, no sleep for me. I was wondering what to do. Finally, I got a solution. Okay, now write. Therefore, it will give. Now, we cannot solve now. Now see. Now, in order to maintain the original loading condition, or other words, or to what, balance the effect of that extended UDL. What UDL is extended, it should be balanced so that it should mutually cancel each other. Extended UDL, introduce same UDL. That is how much? 60 kN per meter, same UDL in opposite direction. That is upward direction. Where to where? Tell me. Where to where? See the question there. Where you have put extra UDL, that extra UDL should be balanced so that whatever extra BM, extra slope, extra deflection you get should be balanced by the other extended extra UDL applied between D to B. Action between from D up to B as shown. See now. Now I am applying same UDL here. See. Therefore remember, this is also UDL. See, light dot is extension, severe dot is what? Extra UDL. Now, these two UDL will balance each other. So, now result will come only for UDL from C up to D, right here. Therefore, now, if we solve the problem, result will come same as for the original beam, because whatever extra loading is there, that is removed, and also reaction also will not change. Why? See, it is like compressing the beam. See here. It is like, see, the other loads are bending. See here correctly. The other loads will cause bending. Oh, sorry, breaking. But this load will be like compressing. See here. It will like this here. When you do sigma V0, downward, upward will balance. When you take moment of this load, about any point will be same, but opposite direction. So mutually cancels. So now your result will come same as that for the original beam. Clear now? Fast. These all I am not writing here. You should make a note. Fully clear. Equilibrium is still maintained, and any extra slope and extra bending because of the extension of UDL is balanced by this UDL. So these two will mutually cancel. So finally effect will come only for this much UDL. Clear? Okay, now there's a rule. If you extend the UDL, section should pass through that UDL also. Yes, passing. And note, now XX is passing through your original UDL and also extended UDL. Therefore, now fully correct. Okay, stop. Solving now. 1 minute. This is not the question I am solving for slope and deflection, because when I want slope and deflection, I want some extra point loads. Why? I want problem to be little more complicated. Means what? Not complicated. Little more work is there. Only UDL, homework I will give you. Okay, now, further note. Okay, now, see, now write, what you do? Now we will write equation for BM at section XX. Okay, you have to wait for little time because the ink color is problem. Therefore, it should dry up maybe 2-3 minutes. But by that time, I will explain something for you when it gets dried up. Because if I use water, then little water means board becomes clean easily. Okay. Little time, because summer means no problem. See, by this time, everything would have been clear. But now, rainy season or winter, what happens is, it takes little few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. See. Okay, now. Okay, now we will do one thing now. Write equation for, see, continue. All the statement over, now write. Therefore, captain. Therefore, now for the revised beam, bending moment at XX, that is mx, m suffix x, sagging positive, mx is, tell correct answers here. BM here, remember now, this UDL is here, up to here is there. Do not see separately. See, 60 kilonewton per meter for full up to here. See, start. 192.5 into x plus 192.5 multiplied by x minus, see here, see this one, 60 kilonewton per meter for up to here. This is x, this is 3. See, I will put a sketch here. Your x-axis is here. Next time will not explain. See, this way. Your UDL is like this now. What is point? This point is C. This point is C. This is your x. This is your x. This is your 3 meter. Therefore, tell what is this length. If this is x, this is 3, what is the loaded length? First, what is the loaded length? Where is mobile? Where I kept the mobile? Chat. Here. What is that loaded length now? Don't see upward UDL. X minus 3. This is x minus 3. Now the bending moment equal to how much it is? 60 kN per meter. 60 minus 60 into x minus 3 is the total load into its center is here. How much? X minus 3 by 2. That I will write 60 into x minus 3. See, x minus 3 whole square by 2. Whole square by 2. Next time I will not explain. See here. 60 into x minus 3 is the total load into its midpoint x minus 3. Or here only you can make out, see, 60 into this is x, this is 3 means this UDL, downward UDL is x minus 3. So 60 into x minus 3 is the load into x minus 3 by 2 whole square by 2. Now plus, not minus. See, now you write BM. See, this will give extra effect of this much UDL. It will be balanced now. Now very important, plus. Tell why plus. Two reasons. Tell the reason. Why plus? Tell why plus. Plus. Why plus? Reason. Why plus? Reason. If you write minus, become nonsense then. Sagging. See here. It is sagging. One reason. Mathematical reason. Tell. See, in this term, negative term is there. This has got excess. This will give little excess value for this much loading. If a negative term is there, if a negative gives xx, to balance it, what sign you require? Negative sign, if it has got excess value, to remove that one, what sign you require? What sign you require? Both, that is mathematical. Okay, that is mathematical. You require positive. See, one, structural point of view, it is sagging plus, or mathematically, this term, this is a negative term, see here, hogging BM. This will give extra BM because of this much load, and that much load is to be removed. So to remove extra, you require plus. Don't forget this plus, clear or not? If you write minus, what will happen? Tell me. You are adding one more UDL. Then the reaction also will change. Problem gone. Plus. Once again, see. This is, I forgot right here. You write here. This also is 60 kN per meter only. Plus 60 kN per meter into, I will show you one more sketch now. See. This is origin A. This is your XX. XX. Upward UDL is here. This from here to here is 10 meter. 10 meter. So this loaded length is x minus 10. Why? Because full is x. Therefore, this is, see here, 60 into x minus 10 is the total load into, see, 60 into x minus 10 into x minus 10 by 2. I will write 60 into x minus 10 whole square by 2. Full, or see here, 60 into this much length. This is x, this is 10. So x minus 10 into x minus 10 by 2 whole square by 2. Fully clear? Next time this way I will not explain. I will tell, go back to the first class where I introduced extra UDL and study. I cannot waste time every class this way. Fully clear? Okay. Now, okay, this is the equation. Now, what to do? Write a note here. Now, we can equate this to what? Tell me. Now you can equate this to what? First, if possible. Now we can equate this equation to what? Equate this to, now correct. Now we can equate this to our Macaulay's EI d, you can equate this to EI d square y by dx square, right? But before proceeding further, of course, this question we will not continue. When I solve the question, I want same problem with some point load also. That is extra work, good for health, to understand. Then this can be homework. But right here, you write, but he decided not to continue same question. Why? It is simple, only UDL. He wants to put some point loads. So you should struggle how to find maximum deflection. Concept goskara, oh, sorry, no Kannada. Concept ke liye. Therefore, he is not continuing, he is changing and giving a new question where He will give gap on either side. He will give UDL. Also, he will put some point loads so that perfect knowledge will come. Okay. Now, I will not leave now. But before going to that question, now let us verify whether this equation will give correct BM everywhere, including P2 and P4. Yes or no? This should give correct answer for BM, including P2 and P4. Tell yes or no? Including P2 and P4, which was giving wrong earlier. Clear? Including P2 and P4, we will verify and I will tell you some mathematical logic. Okay, start. Now, this all I will remove. Okay, start now. Write a note here. One note. This all not required. Okay, this all not required. Write a note. Now, before you go to actual question, we will do one thing now. We will ensure we will get guarantee or what? We will feel this is correct for bending moment. Start. Bending moment at A. Put x equal to 0. IO 0. Why? See here. When we put x equal to 0, this is 0. These terms are not considered. Correct. Tallying. Bending moment at C. Put x equal to 3 meter. Tell the answer fast. Plus 192.5 into 3 equal to same as last time plus 557.5. Oh, tallying over. Because why? When you put x equal to 3, this is 0 and this term is not applicable. Over. Bending moment at D. At D. Start. Put x equal to, from here at D I want 10 meter. 10 meter equal to plus 192.5 into 10 minus 60 into 10 minus 3 is positive. 7 square by 2 positive. Stop. Why? Or do one thing. This term will become 0. Oh, this also coming same answer. 455. Next. Bending moment at B. Put x equal to 12 meter. Start. 19 plus 192.5 into 12 minus 60 into 12 minus 3 is 9. Plus 9 square by 2 plus 12 minus 10 is 2 plus 60 into plus 2 square by 2. Calculate now. Fast. Calculate now. Fast, fast. Calculate. Fast. Don't waste time. Calculate. If you have confidence in me, you can tell the answer without calculation. If you feel this person will not make mathematical mistake, if you got that guarantee, you can tell the answer without calculating. 0. Yes, correct. Okay. Now, also, this all I will remove. Perfectly tallying. See now. Now, important information. See. Bending moment at P1. This is 2 meter. Substitute x equal to 2 meter. Okay, correct. Plus 192.5 into 2. Same as last time. That's all. Stop. Why stop? 2 minus 3 is negative. Further terms are not there. Oh, answer. Plus 385. That also tally. Then bending moment at P2. Now see, I will go this way. P2 I will go. Put x equal to how much? Tell me. See, P2 is at 2.5 meter from here. P2 is at 2.5 meter from here. Tell me, put x equal to, fast. Put x equal to 5.5 meter. X equal to, x means Kemp x, red x. 5.5 meter. It will come plus 192.5 into 5.5. See here, correct. And then minus 60 into 5.5 minus 3. 5.5 minus 3 is plus 2.5 square by 2. Oh, correct way. Now see, When last time, when I consider here, you are getting loaded length of 7 meter. Now you are getting loaded length of only 2.5 meter. Answer, calculate now, fast, calculate. Calculate at P2. Calculate. I will tell the reason why it is tallying. Calculate first. Calculate first. Plus 871.25. Oh, exactly same as the correct answer. Now, bending moment at P4, P3, there is something special, I will tell you. P3, something special information is there. P4, start. Put x equal to. P4 is at 3.6 from here. If it is 3.6 here, from A, how much you are substitute? Tell me. From A, how much you are substitute? X equal to. If P4 you want, substitute x equal to. Substitute x equal to 8.4 meter. See what happens. 8x equal to 8.4 meter equal to plus 192.5 into 8.4, correct, minus 60 into 8.4 minus 3 is 5.4. Oh, correct. See now, I told you only 5.4 meter will come. Last time it was coming 7 meter length. Now it is giving correct answer 5.4 square by 2. Tell the answer now. This term is not applicable. Why? 5.4, how much it is? 8.4 minus 10 is negative. Answer. Plus 742.2. Plus 742.2. Oh, this is also correct. Now, I will come to P3 point. See now, correct? P3 point. Tell the value. P3. Actually, doubt comes. It is in the modified section or modified sketch. It lies in the UDL. Original beam, it is outside the UDL. Yes or no? Doubt comes. Someone will tell, sir, here it is UDL. It is in the UDL. So, quadratic, see, actually P3 is outside UDL. But here it is in the UDL. Doubt will come. What? Doubt is, I will tell you doubt. If that point lies in the UDL, BM variation is what? See, if I use this equation, it is in the UDL. BM variation is what? Tell me. If it is in the UDL, BM variation is. BM variation, now it is in the UDL. Why? Extended UDL is there. Parabolic. But originally at P3, UDL is not there. So actually, D to B variation should be what? Tell me. D to B variation should be. It can't be parabolic. It has to be. Actually, see the original beam. Variation should be what? Linear. When variation is linear, if it is parabolic, then it is wrong. Yes or no? If you use parabolic equation for a linear, it is wrong. Tell me yes or no. Fast. Yes or no. You cannot use parabolic for a linear. I will tell you beauty of mathematics now. Yes. Okay. First you substitute. Tell me what to do. Substitute x equal to how much? First you finish. Let us see correct BM comes or not. Substitute x equal to get BM at P3. P3 is at 1.5 from here. Substitute x equal to how much? Substitute x equal to 1.5 from right hand. My origin is left hand. Substitute x equal to. If your BM at P3, substitute x equal to fast. You are wasting time. This way you should not waste time. Some will tell, कन्नड़ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿ में क्या उतना भी पता नहीं मुझे पता है but I want from you if I keep on telling what all I know the course will be over in one day. Entire strength of materials I will finish in one day only. How many hours? In 1 hour I will finish entire strength of materials. Want to finish? 1 hour time Full strength of material, so I will finish. 10.5 meter. I am not telling to boost myself actually. Yes, someone told me long back, sir, please do it if possible. But I told you, then further class you cannot come. No, sir. Sir, just I started SFBM from stress strains there. After 5 minutes he told, sir, enough, sir, not required. Why? No, sir, enough. I will tell the principles, that's all. Okay, start. 10.5 meter is plus BM equal to BM at P3 equal to plus 192.5 into 10.5 minus 60 into 10.5 minus 3 is how much? 10.5 minus 3 is 7.5. Correct? Yes. 7.5 whole square by 2 plus 10.5 minus 10 is plus 60 into 1.5 whole square by 2. Answer. 1.5 square by 2. Answer. First answer. Plus 341.25. Tell me, what is the correct answer? Tell me, what is the correct answer? We used quadratic variation, second degree equation we used. See, we used x square term. Even then answer is tallying or not tallying? Is the answer tallying or not tallying? First tell me. 0.5 by 2. Adenu 0.5 by 2. 10.5 minus 10. Oh, 0.5. Okay. Print mistake. Then if I put 1.5 answer, oh, someone who gave the answer. Yaar kotra answer adu? See, somebody who gave answer, he did not calculate. He has confidence in me. Yes or no? Who gave the answer? I made a mistake there. I put 1.5. You won't get the answer. But somebody typed the answer. That is having confidence in me. Tell yes or no. How you can get that answer? No. Okay. That means people got confidence in me. Okay. 341.25. Tell me, tallying or not tallying? First. Tallying or not tallying? Not calculated. Tallying or not tallying? Important concepts now. See, mathematics today. Is the answer tallying or not tallying? Correct answer. Just tell me first. Is the correct answer tallying or not tallying? If you tell yes, I will tell you why it tallied. Even if second degree is there, why it tallied, I will tell you now. If you tell that's tallying, yes. Now, do you want to know? We are using second degree equation for bending moment, parabolic equation, still for linear, it is satisfied. Do you want to know why? Tell me. Do you want to know why? If you do not want to tell me, I will go to the next question. Do you want to know why? This is mathematical. See, first of all, I will tell you, I never bothered. Before the class, I never, somewhere sit there and try, what is the reason? I never bothered. Because it is pure mathematics. 1 minute, see now. See here, if section is up to here, no problem. Why? Only this much UDL will come. When section is after this one, see, here parabola is okay. Here parabolic is correct. Here it will give parabola. See, two different terms are there. But actually it is linear. See, actually this equation is correct. Yes or no? Tell me. If you want bending moment here, anywhere at section XX here, then full 7 meter will come. So this equation is wrong between C and D. You already proved this equation is correct from D to B. See, this is correct from D to B. Yes or no? It is correct from D to B. Why? When you want BM anywhere after D, 60 into 7 will come. Therefore, see, it is linear. See, because loaded length is constant. Only distance got x. But here, loaded length has got x, distance also got x. That's why x square came. but actually loaded length is constant. Clear or not? First tell me. Clear or not? Yesterday's equation is correct for dB. Clear? Yesterday's equation was correct for dB. Clear? Okay, now do one thing. See, this equation, if I use for dB, see what happens. See now. Do one thing. Suppose I simplify this equation here, just for fun. Imagine your section is somewhere here. See? Then this equation will become plus 192.5 into x minus 60 by 2 into x square plus 9 minus 6x. Then again plus, see, plus 60 by 2 into x square plus 100 minus 20x. Yes or no? X minus 3 square is x square plus 9 minus 6x. X minus 10 whole square is x square plus 100 minus 20x. Correct or not? First tell me. Correct or not? If I simplify that one beyond the point C, beyond the point D, tell me. Yes, okay. Now, see what happens. Or this will become equal to plus 192.5 into x. I will put minus 60 by 2, I will take outside. Outside. Into x square plus 9 minus 6x. Then I am taking minus 60 by 2 outside. So it will become minus x square minus 100 plus 20x. 20x. Or if I further substitute, it will become plus 192.5 into x minus 60 by 2 into x square cancels. Oh, parabolic variation cancels. Yes or no? Tell me. Parabolic variation cancels. It comes or into, see, 9 minus 100 is how much? 9 minus 100 is, or I'll do one thing. I'll first put 9 minus, minus 100 is minus 100. One nimsha, correct alla? Minus 100 plus 9 is what? Minus 91, correct? Minus 91 constant, then plus minus 6x plus 20x is plus 14x. Oh, you can tell when you simplify this equation, after d, the parabolic term x square will cancel, though therefore it is linear. Tell me, yes or no? Tell me fast, yes or no? It is linear. No, I want to confirm now. It becomes linear. Just tell me yes or no. Parabola cancel, linear. Or, I will do one thing now. Or, your mx will become, see now, after the point D, it will become plus 192.5 into x, then minus 60 into, I will take this 2 inside. What happens now? Minus 91 by 2 is minus 40.5 plus 7x. 7x. Or I will do one thing now, plus 192.5 into x minus 60. From here I will take 7 outside. 60 into 7 into x minus 40.5 divided by 7. Tell the answer. 40.5 divided by 7. Answer. 40.5 divided by 7. See, I am not in tension. I know answer will come. I never bothered from yesterday up today before doing all this. Shall I sometime, those of some students, so many of my students are in teaching profession. I will always tell them, When you go for such things, it is advisable before going to class, practice and confirm. Don't go to class and do something, then don't get the answer, then get tension or what? Tension or what? Completely full sweating will come. I don't know how it is feeling. And get full trembling in front of students. It is called losing the face. They will laugh. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೊರಟ ಏನೇನೋ ಬಂದು ತಿಂದಿನಿ ಕುಚ್ ಬೋಲ್ನೆ ಲಗ ಅವ್ರು ದೇಖೋ ಕಹಾ ಗಯಾ ಕುಚ್ ಭಿ ನಹೀ ಆತಾ. ಸಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ that you practice thoroughly, get confirmed. Unless you got solid grip, then they will tell, no sir, we have no solid grip, that's what you are doing. So therefore, if you got confidence, you do like me, go to the class, whatever you want, tell it. Answer not telling, tell. I will not teach in future. I will not teach in future. That's what I am telling. Answer, how much? No, 40.5 divided by 7. You have not told the answer. 40.5 divided by 7. 5.7857. How is it possible? 40.5 divided by 7. How it is possible? Then there is some mistake in the calculation. 91 by 2 is not 40.5. Where are you? 90 by 2 is not 40.5. Here samachara. How much? Tell me. 90 by 2 is how much? 90 by 2. When you take out, see, when I take here, 91 by 2 is not 40.5. It is how much? It is 45.5. See, I never got panic. See, this is the time you get panic. Suddenly, what happened? Why what happened? Let me see which beam has got courage not to give the answer. 45.5. Okay, now tell me. 45.5 divided by 7. If it is not tallying, today is my last class in structural engineering. Closed. Will not open the pen or take the class in future. 6.5. Right. Oh, yesterday's equation is correct. See here. Yesterday's equation, when section was after D, is tallying with this equation. Oh, that is right here. Oh, this is the beauty of mathematics. Clear or not? Right here. That's why I did not rub it. I know a time will come when I have to prove that this quadratic will reduce to linear and should come same as that equation after the point D. Now, fully clear? Tell me. Fully clear. If UDL is extended, what to do? Fully clear or not? Pause, tell me. Fully clear. Only one commenter. Okay, that's all. Now, right. Therefore, see, this is the beauty of mathematics. If you know mathematics, suppose I write any mathematical paper for B now, I may not get 5 marks also. Why? Something which is not required is there. Who knows all those things? Who bothers? So, not that mathematics. Simple, elementary, basic mathematics. Have grip means you can do wonders in structures. But mathematical grip is called mathematical original grip. Original mathematical grip. If that is there, there are applied mathematics. See, if I write an engineering mathematics paper, I may not get 5 marks unless the question is on that simplex method or differential equation, Runge-Kutta method or Euler's method. I know perfectly. Or any theory, probability theory, I know. Permutation, combination. But if they ask you that curl, girl, and that one, this one, who want to know? Sometimes when I see mathematical paper, I get tension. How students are answering? That is not called basic mathematics. Basic mathematics is like riding a cycle on the road. you know correctly how the wheels are going. If you know cycle driving, you can learn bike and scooter. You can even start learning what? Car driving or truck driving also. So therefore, fully clear now? Fast, I will rub the board. Fully clear. Okay, now a homework for you. See, a homework for you. Today only try. See, I will do one thing now. Today only try it. Alternate solution. Alternately, you should tell today that perfect answer tally. Alternately, I will take B as origin. B as origin and consider section XX between last 2 points, last 2 standard points on other side, other end. That is between what? If I take B origin between C and A, comma, at X from origin B. So that from next class onwards, whether I take left origin or right origin, you should not have any doubt. This is called once for all settlement. Settlement once for all. Okay, I'll do one thing now. This I will remove now. A origin I will remove. This I will remove. Okay, section also I will remove. And see, distance also I will remove. This all I will remove. Okay, I will write the equation and stop. You should practice that one. Okay, 1 minute now. I will rub this one. Slide I will remove. Okay, I will remove. Okay, better remove everything. Ooh, this is struggling to remove something. It is better everything remove and write once again. What is there? It will take lesser time most probably. To adjust, instead of adjustment, it is better to start from beginning. Okay, see. Why I am telling? Because you don't know. A situation will come for you later. Sometimes you may have take A origin, sometimes B origin. Both the left hand origin or right hand origin. Both the cases, none of you should ask me, sir, not clear, confusion. Why confusion? Correctly practice. Okay, now see. But I will do one thing now. I will start and leave. You should complete. Okay, agreed. I will start and bring to a stage. Then you should complete. Agreed or not? You should complete. And comment in the, you should comment in the, where? In the group you comment that got perfect answer. Okay, start. A new sketch required now. See here now. This is the beam. See why I am doing it now? So that tomorrow, whether left or right origin, I don't have to explain once again. There is a reaction here, VA equal to 192.5 kilonewton. There is a reaction here, VB equal to, VB, 227.5 kilonewton. And there is a UDL, after 3 meters, it starts and stops here. How much? 60 kilonewton per meter. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, now, section is, our B is the origin. Therefore, your X will go this way now. Section should be between the last 2 points here. See, a reaction VA, come down. You are disturbing me. I want to put UDL there. VA equal to 192.5 kilonewton. Okay. Now section XX here at X from here. Oh, little upper side. Okay. Okay, I can write anywhere. Okay, XX. Okay. VB, go up. You go up. Don't disturb me. VB equal to 227.5 kilonewton. Section XX at X from B. Okay. This is your X. Okay, start. Now mark everything from here. This is 2 meter. Mark the point C from there. This is 2 plus 7 is 9 meter. This section is, this is 12 meter. And now, statement you write. We took B as origin, we consider section between C and A, last 2 points. Condition 1 satisfied, condition 2 satisfied. What? Extreme end origin, other side section XX. But this is not passing through UDL. So to satisfy that condition, see, you write here, extend the UDL up to A. Extend the UDL up to A, and for that extended extra length, introduce same UDL of 60 kN per meter in upward direction. Write all these statements, clear or not? Write all the statement, clear? First, all the statement you have to write. Agreed? Okay, now start. Now your bending moment, black color, at XX, that is called MX, M suffix X, sagging positive, is, see here, from there you start, plus 227.5 into X positive minus 60 kN per meter. Now for up to full length is there. This is X, this is 2, this length will be X minus 2. So 60 into X minus 2 is the total loaded length. You should write separate sketch into X minus 2 by 2. I will put square by 2. Then plus 60 into, this is X, this is 9, this extra length is X minus 9, X minus 9 whole square by 2. Fully clear? Fast. You tell full clear, I will continue. Fast. If it is fully clear, write step by step and get this equation. Full clear? Yeah. Okay. Now do one thing. Tell me. All I will tell you. To get bending moment at A, substitute X equal to, fast. To get BM at A, substitute X equal to. Keep on telling me answer. Answer not telling, I am responsible. To get bending moment at A, put X equal to 12 meter. Use the full equation. Guaranteed answer is 0. To get bending moment at B, put X equal to, fast. To get bending moment at B, put X equal to. To get bending moment at B, X equal to 0. When you put X equal to 0, 0, these terms are not applicable. This is plus, be careful, you will get answer 0. Okay. To get bending moment at C, substitute X equal to, first. To get BM at C, put X equal to. Put X equal to 9. Okay, I will calculate first. Plus 557.5. Tell me, tallying or not tallying? I substituted in the, see this mobile backside, there is a built-in calculator. Not visible for you. For me visible. You have to activate it. If here I have touched something, backside calculator on. Okay, now available. Tallying or not tallying? Tell me, tallying or not tallying? Now next time I will not ask you. Okay, now to get bending moment at D, put X equal to, answer. To get bending moment at D, put X equal to, fast. X equal to. To get BM at D, put X equal to 2 meter. I will calculate. Dust is there. Okay, clear. Plus 455. I will check later. Then to get bending moment, now I will do one thing now. P1 I will do last. Tell the answer. To get bending moment at P3, put X equal to. P3 is at 1.5 meter here. Put X equal to. X equal to. Last time it was 10.5. Now put X equal to. To get BM at P3, put X equal to 1.5 meter. Plus 341.25. Okay, then to get bending moment at P4, I will come from that side. P4, put X equal to. For P4, put X equal to. First. Put X equal to. See, See, when you put 1.5, this term is not there, this term is not there. Put x equal to 3.6 meter. When you put 3.6, this term is there. See, 3.6 minus 2 is 1.6, correct. And this term is not there. Answer. Which point? P3. P4. Where is P4? Where is P4? Where is P4? Ayo. Where is P4? Plus 742 point. No, it should be here. 742.2. Then, to get bending moment at P3, substitute x equal to P2. At P2, substitute x equal to from here. This is 2 plus 2.5, 5.5. Put x equal to. Put x equal to. To get BM at P2, put x equal to. What? From here 5.5. To get P2, put x equal to 6.5 meter. I am calculating. Which one? P2. How much x2? That is 2. See, when you put 6.5, this term is not there. 227.5 into 6.5 minus 60 into 6.5 minus 2 whole square by 2 equal to P2. Plus 871.25. Lastly, to get bending moment at P1, see, P1 actually is linear, but here quadratic. But if you simplify this equation beyond C, it will once again give linear. My guarantee. Tell me, put x equal to fast. Today's last calculation. Put x equal to. At 2 meter from left hand, put x equal to. Why? This much delay. Shall I come tomorrow? 10 meter. This time I will calculate using my usual calculator. Plus 385 kilonewton meter. Okay, now compare these values with what you got last time. Tell me, tallying or not tallying? Tell that much. Tallying or not tallying? Sometimes people tell, sir, this is called cheating. No, it is not cheating. It is showing confidence, that's all. No cheating, nothing. Where I am cheating? Tell me, all values are tallying or not tallying? Here, no, in the class, what value I got using the backside calculator and the real calculator, tallying or not tallying? Just a comment, one last comment, so that now I can sleep in peace. I don't have tension now, whether answer is coming or not coming. Why? Decided not to comment? Just a comment. Perfectly tallying or not tallying? Back and front tallying. Okay. So remember, actually there is no calculator here, and when I use this calculator, it is switched off. I just hit the random buttons here. Why? Because I know it is impossible that mathematics will go wrong. So therefore, tell me, this you practice, and everything you study, make a note, and then in the group, in the BSK group, you just put a comment that, yes, everything came, not like how I got. I did not calculate. You tell, yes, fully got the answer and 100% clear everything. Will do. You should tell. Those who are general public, they can put in the comment box. Nobody puts any comment in my class, YouTube class. I have seen so many YouTube class comments. How many comments? Sir, that is wrong, this is wrong, that is wrong, this is wrong. You told wrong distance, sign is wrong. So many things. In my class, in YouTube I have seen, not a single comment is there that this is wrong, that is wrong, this is wrong, that is wrong. I am waiting for the first person to comment. Let me see who is that first person to comment. Your solution is wrong. I will do it. Just tell me. Okay, now at least fully clear whether you take A or B origin. See, both sides extension required. If the UDL is on one side, you can choose the origin so that, see, if the UDL is that side, take this origin. If UDL is this side, take that origin so that this circus is not required. So, correct? But circus, there are, see, by chance, if the UDL is, if the question given is this way, see, this way, you can take this origin and cut it here. Suppose you take this origin, you can solve. Then what do you have to do? Extend and extend. Unnecessary. Instead of eating this way, you have to eat this way. But here, no other way. So, now UDL, any length, anywhere starting, anywhere ending. If requirement is there, extension. If it is fully clear, next tomorrow, what I will do is, before the class, I will write the question so that I won't waste time on that C1, C2, etc. See, I will prepare a question and briefly explain here why I don't have to tell now again for x equals 0, y equals 0, C2 equals 0, for x equals something, y equals 0, C1 is source. So find slope and deflection here. So you put x equal 2 meter. To get slope and deflection here, put x equal 9 meter. To get slope and deflection at center, put x equal 6 meter. If you have slope at A, B, put x equal 0. To get slope at A, put x equal 12. Do you want unnecessary to waste time in the class those things? Or shall I prepare a problem and do only maximum deflection? Tell me. Only maximum deflection. Oh, this question don't solve. This you can solve for practice purpose. No. Shall I tomorrow prepare the question on the board before the class so that routine, usual part you can do, I will do only maximum deflection. Their trick is there. Agreed? Instead of wasting time, I directly go for maximum deflection because there some solution of equation is there. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow we will close all the type of questions. Then I will tell how to do for couple. Then I will go to overhanging beam and cantilever. Uniformly varying load, just one question briefly I will solve. Okay. Then I will go to other part. Then after cantilever over, I will go to some other method, standard method, and then finish the deflection. See, I told you, these classes I am conducting is for basic knowledge. Suppose you go for competitive examination, this will help you a lot. But I am not solving questions for competitive examination in this course. Separate course I am starting for that one. I will let you know little later. There only tricks are required. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow. C1, C2 is correct most probably. I don't know. But I won't check because by tomorrow you are solving. But you just confirm change of origin, result is same.